Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here. So, a lot of you ask me often, so are you a leader? Who is my Epicure leader? I'm not qualified as a leader yet. Yes, I do enjoy teaching. I do enjoy helping everybody, and I just like sort of having my own team and just helping you guys with your Epicure business overall. But check this out. So I was looking under my reports like 4 minutes ago, as it says right here. So always check this out for yourselves too. So you just have to go under the three lines up at the top, go under reports here, and then this will pop up. So look, it is, oh, whoops, sorry guys. There we go. So it's May the 12th today, and check this out. So this is showing me that I have qualified already as the executive consultant. So I have pretty much overqualified because I have had a lot of personal orders, so about like 1,019 QV worth, where I would only need 750. And then for a team overall, we have been doing amazing. So pretty much over 3,000, right? We have 5,562 QV as a team. But look, for me to promote to leader, we have 5,562 QV as a team so far, and we just need 6,000. So we're really, really close, you guys. So I might actually be officially all of your leaders, which is pretty cool. The most exciting thing for me about being a leader would be because I get all of the products. Apparently, when new products come out, we get all of them for free as a leader. There are tons of other things too, which I will definitely talk about them if I actually do become a leader. I don't want to get too excited yet, but check this out, you guys. We're so, so close. So if you have that customer who's like, oh, I wanted to order like 2 weeks ago, follow up with them because we are so close for me to becoming your official leader, which is just pretty exciting. If you guys need any help, please let me know, and I will talk to you guys soon, hopefully as a leader by the end of the month. Talk to you soon.